Hi, I'm Dale Johnson, your Abicore Binzel sales rep. Before Abicore Binzel, I was employed in the welding industry for approximately 23 years, having had the opportunity to travel 43 states, saw a lot of different things. Working in the welding industry has been a lot of fun. I've had the opportunity to meet a lot of great people. I've made a lot of great friends. It's a wonderful thing. My goals in working with a distributor or an end user, first of all, is fast response. Folks are interested to get an answer rapidly, and I want to do my part to see that they get that. The goal beyond that is to help provide a product or an idea or a solution to help fit their situation. When you contact me, this is what you can expect to get. Somebody who will answer your phone rapidly, will put you in contact with the people that have the answers or the product to help provide a solution to your situation.